If you want to get smarting, which means sales and marketing are working together, one of the best tools to help for that is to have a buyer's value matrix. It's hopefully a one-page document in which you list off all members of your buyer's committee by persona, and you document what their pain points are, and then your product or service that solves for that pain point and how it solves for that pain point, and the messaging that matters for that individual. So essentially, you get everybody on one page with one messaging around what the pain points are for the customer and how you solve for that problem. That's how you create a roadmap for creating marketing. So how do you build a buyer value matrix? Well, you need some inputs. Well, first off, you need a list of everybody for your ideal client, that is the organization that you serve best, that is in their buyer's committee. Now that could range upwards of 6 to 8 people or as little as 2 to 3. But you need a list of them and you need to know what their role is. Primarily, are they an influencer? Are they a decision maker? Are they a gatekeeper? You also need to know for each of those people as to what they define as value, so you can make sure that your messaging resonates with people in the buyer's committee. In order to know what people in your buyer's committee define as value, you need some basic personas. And really it comes down to, like, you can have full personas for all 8 members of the buyer's committee, but if you know their role, if you know what their pain points are, if you know their motivations, if you know what they define as value, that is a great start for you to input into your buyer's value matrix and create messaging that matters to that specific individual. With all these inputs gathered, now all you need to do is put it in a chart with a bunch of columns. What the actual buyer committee role is for that persona, what their pain point is or the goal that they're trying to reach. What is the product or service that you provide that either meets that goal or solves that pain point? And then lastly, what is the messaging that matters to that specific persona so that you can meet their goals or solve their problem? So take the time, document this in a chart so that all your teams can reference it. You will now have in one place unique understanding about the pain points of your customers and the messaging that aligns for that individual persona. All your teams can look at this one spot and you can have alignment across all your departments. If you do the work and everybody gets on the same page and all your messaging is unified around customer-centric solving for their pain points, you will see your results go up and to the right.